you are looking for a diabetes superfood that can completely transform the course of your diabetes management and help you achieve stable blood sugar levels, in this video I'll share it all. We'll speak about how this superfood can be a game changer in your journey to conquer diabetes and how to include it into your diet. Hi everyone, it's Anna here. I'm a nutritionist and diabetes health coach, and at Spoon of Wonder we help you achieve your best health when living with diabetes. If this is your first time here, my entire channel is dedicated to helping diabetics better manage their disease and achieving healthier blood sugar levels. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I can help you to achieve your best health. So let's jump into today's topic. So what is this diabetes superfood that can help you stabilize your levels? It is legumes. Legumes are a family of plants that include beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They are high in fiber, protein, and other important nutrients that are essential for good health. So how can legumes help you achieve healthier blood sugar levels? Fiber in legumes slow down the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream, which can help you regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes, helping you maintain healthy levels. But one of the key benefits of legumes for diabetics that separates them from all other foods high in fiber and makes them a superfood for diabetics is the second meal effect. This means that when you eat legumes with a meal, your levels will not only stay stable after that meal, but it will also impact your levels throughout the day and even at your next meal later on in the day. How amazing is that? Legumes not only provide you immediate effects, but its benefits will remain for hours after you eat them. And that's not all. They are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol, improve heart health, which is one of the main complications for diabetics, so a huge plus for diabetics as well. But we are not over yet. Legumes help increase your satiety levels, helping you feel full for longer, preventing you from overeating or snacking in between meals, which makes them a great tool to fight against weight gain, another big struggle for diabetics. So now that you know all about the benefits of legumes, how can you incorporate them into your diet? My first tip is to start small. If you are not used to eating legumes, start by incorporating them into your diet gradually. Begin with just a small portion and slowly increase your intake over time. My second tip is to experiment with different types of legumes. There are so many available, and you can choose from lentils, chickpeas, black beans, navy beans, and so many more. So experiment with different types and find the ones you enjoy the most. My third tip is to cook them well. Cooking legumes properly can make a big difference in their taste, texture, and digestion. Soak them overnight and cook them until they are tender. You can also add some herbs and spices to the cooking water for added flavor. My next tip is to add them into salads. Legumes are such a great addition to salads. You can mix them with greens or other vegetables and dress them with your favorite dressing for a flavorful meal. My next tip is to make soups and stews with legumes. They add bulk and texture and can help make the dish more filling and satisfying. But this is one of my favorite tips. I suggest that you make a hummus. Hummus is a delicious and healthy dip from chickpeas. It's easy to make at home and it can be used as a dip for vegetables or a spread on sandwiches. This is one of my favorite diabetes-friendly snacks. You must try it. And you'll see that if you make your own, can be as delicious or even more delicious than shop bought. So you must try it. Let me know if you'd like to get a recipe and I can share that with you. My next tip is to use legumes instead of meat. Legumes are a great source of protein and can be used as a substitute for meat in many recipes. Try using lentils or black beans in place of ground beef in tacos or spaghetti sauce. And my last tip is to roast legumes. This will give them a crispy texture, and by adding some spices and roasting them into the oven, you have a healthy and tasty snack. If you are finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as it helps more people finding this video and get access to this information as well. So legumes are a truly diabetic superfood with many benefits for diabetics, including the second meal effect. Incorporating more legumes into your diet is an easy way to improve your blood sugar control, lower your cholesterol, and improve your overall health. So next time you are at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on beans, lentils, and chickpeas and start enjoying the benefits of this diabetic superfood. Do you enjoy beans, legumes, or chickpeas? What is your favorite legume? If you are not used to eat foods high in fiber, one of the most important steps is to introduce them slowly and to drink plenty of water. And if you currently struggle to drink enough water, I recommend you to watch this video where I share some tips on how to enjoy drinking more water and why water consumption is crucial for healthy levels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next video.